Here's how to start a home care business in New Hampshire in 7 quick steps. If you want a mission-driven company with real demand, this is it. New Hampshire has one of the oldest populations in the country. Over 20% are 65 plus, and families prefer care at home. Demand is exploding, especially in rural and suburban counties where competition is lighter. That's your opportunity. Step 1. Pick your model. Non-medical is the fastest start, offering personal care and companionship. Skilled home health requires licensed clinicians and has tighter rules. Choose based on your credentials and budget. Step 2. Form the business. Create an LLC or corporation. Register with the NH Secretary of State and get your EIN. Step 3. Get licensed. Apply for a home healthcare provider license through DHHS. You'll submit your application, policies, and pass an on-site inspection. Step 4. Build your policies and procedures. Cover client rights, infection control, staffing, emergency plans, and HIPAA. Use state-compliant templates or a consultant to speed this up. Step 5. Set up your office. You need a designated space with secure files for HIPAA-compliant records. Step 6. Get insurance. You'll need general liability, professional liability, and workers' compensation. No shortcuts here. Step 7. Hire and train. Hire CNAs, LPNs, or RNs as needed. Run background checks, provide orientation and ongoing training, and keep tight records. After you launch, renew your license annually, expect surprise inspections, and keep all files clean. Pro tip: rural and suburban territories are underserved. Start there. Consider a NH-compliant policy package to move faster. That's your roadmap. Ready to launch your home care agency in New Hampshire? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll help you get licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.